y'all. My name's Sarah. I'm part of Anomaly Poetry. We host the Wild Heart Open Mic every third Friday of the month. So come see us. If you've got a minute to come down to New Bedford, we'll be happy to have you.
Blessings and respect. So I am Craig A. Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. Nice Jamaican guy. By the way, I'm a poet and author. I've got my book out, it's on Amazon. Recently I was nominated for the second time International Reggae and World Music Award Best Poet. And that will be taking place in Florida on March 30th. So big respect, Iran.
Good luck.
Thank you very much. This one I'm gonna do for you first. It's called The Fight. In this mind of mine, I took time to find, more time to be fine, as my thoughts incline and climb an eye. I refuse to let either drain energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping, I'm fully awake, 4 decades bleeding. Fighting while smiling, even while I'm weakened. The journey continues, even while I'm bleeding. You'll never make it. I ignore their speaking, their fiction, sickling and misleading. Persuasion, invasions, beasts and zombies trying to control me but can't understand me. Be silent. Shh. I fight without violence. Spoken words subdue you like a hostage tyrant. I am your children's children, history assignment. Writing myself in the future with provoking highlights to capture your eyesight. I need you to understand me. It's pointless you try and ban me. I'm fueling the world with words like bright lights. I write what I like, whether or not you like it's my choice. I'm greater than you thought. Tell them precisely. The fight continues and there are many others just like me. Next one I'm going to do is called For Our Children to Know. Thank you very much. Anomaly Poetry. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You'll encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop, aim higher and escalate. Lori, I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes, still I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People's business, I'm not discussing, mix up, I'm not partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. And notice this face, my lip trace. I will never disgrace my people for position, rather empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes. The reason for your failure. So let's rise and surprise them with a bliss face. Thank you very much. After this event is over, or tomorrow, anytime you feel like, you can check out the Jamaican Poet movie. It's a short film wife and I did for the Providence Maker film in 48 hours. So some creatives and I all came together and that project is out. Nothing wrong. There's absolutely nothing wrong in you asking the wrong questions. What makes it correct is when you've been provided with the right answers. Nothing wrong in you making mistakes. In this case, what makes it great is when you learn from your errors and you elevate. Penetrate and meditate on the great things you desire to achieve in life. Separate yourself from people who want to see you thrive. Realize life is no bed of roses or on a smooth pathway. There are hurdles to overcome, there are bitterness and harsh days. There'll be moments of sadness and grief, and there'll be moments make you feel like you want to laugh all day. During your first heartbreak, you probably yelled at yourself in the mirror, I can't take this no more. No joking, perhaps you'll be smoking or consuming alcoholic substances like you've never done before. It's like the entire world keep crumbling while you're grumbling. Why have you done this to me? Nothing wrong in crying, expressing your emotions. No need for fightings or commotions. You see, We were educated poorly about love. Ignorance is like an addiction and will mess you up like drugs. What makes it wrong is when you allow your negative thoughts to become your actions. So think first and allow time to heal you. Nothing wrong in giving spaces or letting go if it not work out to be the best. Think about it. Probably that cause the stress. Nothing wrong in you seeking advice or counseling when you really need help. Someone really love you. Don't continue to blame yourself. And after you overcome the dark phase, you'll be the stronger version of self, and you will learn to love and appreciate your very own existence. See, in life, we encounter challenges, tackle something new. Nothing wrong in taking risks as entrepreneurs do. If no one believes in what you're passionate about, Anomaly Poetry, at least you believe in you. And that's where it all started, for your dreams to become true. Nothing wrong if you fail at first, it's all a part of the game. I'm not saying you are the worst, as long as you don't give up, try harder again. Sure, you will prevail. With persistence, my friends, winning is a must. I am Amaziyah the Great. In God, I put my trust. It's a pleasure being here. Maximum level of respect. Thank you very much.
I so enjoyed your performance, the presence you have, and the power behind your words just impacted my heart so much. Thank you. I can't wait to see more.
So I'm always blown away by the fact that you have all your poems memorized, first of all. And second of all, you perform them with such energy.
Never stop, aim higher and escalate.
So I always am encouraged by just the boldness of your poetry. It's inspirational, it's encouraging, and it's lovely.
It was really great to hear your work tonight. Definitely first time for me, and won't be the last, that's for sure.
Amaziyah, it was so great to have you tonight here at the Wild Heart Open Mic. Hope to have you back. Thanks Pawtucket Poetry for coming out. And if you want to come on down to New Bedford, we're here at the Wild Heart Herb House every third Friday of the month. See you then.
You can see me there now?
Am I supposed to press the button?
Yeah.
No, that's
No,
that's
press
my
the-
limit.
you
Like
press
I'm
the-
like hold the phone.
But you have seen both of us, right?